Ooh, child. Yeah, that was a lesson learned a couple of reviews ago. You already here, so you might as well stay. Okay, listen. Besides my camera hating me today, I really hope, I pray that this skincare stuff is doing what it's supposed to do. So I'm still using the 2 items that I discussed in the previous video. If you're interested in finding about that stuff, definitely click the card in the corner wherever it may be. We're trying to keep whole, keep track, keep accountability on this channel, so hopefully you guys will see like real-time progress. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into this. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Mika Lynn, and here we are, baby. Now before we get into this beauty, bam, make sure you do subscribe to the channel, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Now big thank you to Miss Nadula Hair for sending out this unit, this beauty that's still in the bag. Had to make sure the address was not showing. Alright, so we're going to keep the talk through going. If you're interested in the chapter selections, you can go ahead by all means. Skip to wherever you want. However, pump the brakes, baby. Watch time matters. You ladies have been enjoying the color. And color, bam, is what I will give you. So I will have the specs for this unit at the end of the video. We're going to go ahead and look at this beauty straight out of the pack, cause honey, so looking at her straight out of the pack, I must say, okay, I'm feeling her a little bit, baby. I'm not too sure how I feel about the roots up here. Me personally, I would have preferred a darker root, like maybe a 4, but you know, we're gonna make it do what it do, baby. Y'all know the part that matters, right? Y'all know the part that matters. What is this hairline looking like, baby? Will it do what it's supposed to do? So this is what we're looking like so far. The lace is so dang good on here. Yeah, this is some good lace. It's a little white, but I do believe it's blendable, and it is thin. So okay, Nadula. I can't believe I said that. Okay, y'all. Here we go. Alright, so check it, right? She cute or whatever, you know what I'm saying? She's doing a little sun down here, you know, with the color and whatnot. But she needs somebody. Now, keep in mind, I'm winging it, baby, okay? So I'm just gonna fluff this up, especially underneath.
Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out of my control. Zip line into your timeline. Hey, that body don't lie. I didn't care for the hype, yeah. But when I saw you tonight, ooh, girl, you know just what you're doing. I'll go 1,000 miles to show you that I'm right for your love. Hey, keep breaking necks when you passing them by. Make sure they know that you taking love in your vibe. Let's be forever tonight, and I will let you make up your mind. But I can't wait. When you coming over?
Y'all, me, right here. Hello. I've got an idea in my brain, and I'm about to do it. So, we are used to this typical wave pattern, right? What about this wave pattern with this curl pattern? Oh yeah.
Nothing else matter, you know that. Nothing else matter, don't go back. I don't they wait on you for too long, but I want you. Them go tell you you should fall back. Deep inside you know that I go make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah.
Y'all, bam, baby. Check out these curls, honey. Now, just a couple of things to know before we get into this installation. I did have my heat set. I did have my wand curl set to the highest setting. I do believe it's 350 for that particular one. You basically saw how I do wand curls. It's pretty standard for how I do them for any type of unit. I don't know whether or not I'm going to tease these curls out a little bit more. Now, I do hope that I can do another style I have in mind, but we're going to see how that works out. But baby, let's go ahead and pop this beauty on. And since Nadula Hair was kind enough to send your girl a robe, hello, yes baby, we gonna pop this beauty on. And guess what? She's mac and cheese arm approved. Look, baby. Oh, thank you. Okay, so I'm going to use what's basically become a staple on this channel. And my bottle is looking so busted. But this is the Olive Oil Oars Wig Grip Gel. Super hold. I am going to follow up with the Olive Oil Wig Grip Spray. Also in the super hold.
Yeah. Yeah. On me, yeah. No escaping from my mind, but low key.
So, lesson learned, I am going to start with the front. Ooh, child. Yeah, that was a lesson learned a couple of reviews ago. Click the eye after this. Watch time matters. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and put this side down. I'm going to pull out about this much hair, tuck the rest behind my ear. We're gonna hold his hair. I'm gonna bring these down. Hopefully that's enough. Okay, I'm gonna use a Nairobi Rapid Shine foaming lotion. Just some happy little swoops. Swoopity swoop. Swoop swoopity.
She said let me know when you're ready for me. Let me know when you're ready for me, yeah. Nyama tengbelo, nyama tengbelo. Fanyama tendeo, nyama tendeo. Hey, fashionably late on purpose, all eyes on you. So fashionably late. Wind up on the place, not all of the guys want you. She shut it down, knows how to move it and checking what I'm going.
Okay, we getting there. So before we do the big reveal, boom, I see one area that I do want to touch up. So I'm gonna do like I did just a few seconds ago. I'm gonna put a little bit of this wig grip gel on my finger. I'm gonna pull some of this hair down. Just cover that lace. Cover that lace, baby. See how it makes a difference? Bam, baby. Okay, so before we go into the wabam, let me go ahead and remove this because I think it is throwing the color off just a little bit. And Do I want to tease it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No escaping from my mind, but low key. You know that you one of a kind, wanna show me, baby. The things you feel do with that body, yo. Show up everywhere that I be, yo. All you wanna do is party, yo. I know, I know. You are the type that they warn me about, yeah. When I'm with you, all the wrong feels alright, yeah. She the real thing, but she cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey, nyamateng beolo, nyamateng beolo, nyamateng beolo, nyamateng beolo. She said, let me know when you ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. Yeah, nyamateng beolo, nyamateng beolo.
Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. I wish I would have spruced it up like this for the pictures. Listen, I've already taken the pictures for the thumbnail, so it is what it is. You already here, so you might as well stay. Yeah, so big thank you to Nadula Hair for this baby. This is their 13x4 lace frontal water wave wig in the piano brown highlight color P430. This is 150% density. Now the unit does start off at 14 inches, giving you a total of 161.48. That's dang good, especially for color, especially for 13x4, especially for this style. And then it goes all the way up to 26 inches, which gives you a grand total of, woo, textile splurge, baby, $349.76. Yes, $349.76. Now your girl is wearing the 24-inch, and this is coming in at $317.68. But wait, baby, because guess what? Coupon code, baby. Boom. Right there in the description box down below. So definitely check out that information, and you could definitely save some coins on your purchase. And I did forget to mention that this is a very, very comfortable cap. Definitely big hair friendly. I'm using the elastic band that's in this cap, and she is fitting like a glove, baby. No 2 p.m. headache here, honey. This is a pre-bleached, pre-plucked unit, baby, and the knots are so small on this unit, they are seriously barely noticeable. So just a couple of tips, tricks that I've learned along the way when it comes to choosing this type of color for your skin tone. I usually do not go for this type of color. It's really out of my comfort zone. I'm really more on the cooler side. I like the white blondes, the ash blondes, and that is what I generally stick to. With this honey brown color, it is more on the warmer tone. I kept my makeup actually on the cooler side. Used a lot of gold highlights in the middle just to kind of brighten up my face. And I also, one time for the eyebrows, baby, do you see how they're light up? Wink wink. I just used some concealer on the brows just to lighten them up a bit, and I think it came together really, really good. I paired it with this black top just to break up all of that, you know, warmness, if that's even a word. I did match it with a pink top, and let me tell you, the pink top was just not gonna hit it. It wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. And 150% density, baby, where? Tell me where. Listen, you do not need to go higher than 150% with this unit. If you decide to style this with the curls, follow up with a Y2 comb or a pick. In my case, I do have a pick. This is from Pattern Beauty. I do believe it's linked down below if you want to pick it up. And I just went through, teased the curls, and then I just went the opposite way just to give it some volume, and voila, baby, bam. Now, keep in mind, I did cut just a little bit. I rounded out the edges right here, and then I took off maybe like ½ an inch off of the ends, as you saw, just to make it look a little bit more full. And baby, she is doing what she is gonna do, and I am so okay with that. Hello. So if you are interested in checking out the information for this unit, definitely hit up the description box down below. Big thank you to Nadula Hair for sending out the unit. Most importantly, big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. Share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Drop your girl a comment down below. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Keep loving on yourself. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you